Empowering minds, building communities, and creating memories. The Community Engagement Program 2024 by Manav Bharati International School embarked on a transformative journey from December 21st to 25th. This initiative, rooted in fostering critical thinking, empathy, and environmental awareness, brought together students, faculty, and local communities in a shared quest for knowledge and connection. The journey began with pre-CEP orientation on December 7th. Parents were introduced to the program's vision by mentor Rajeshwar Mishra, Director Pradeep Kumar Mishra, and CEP coordinators Amit Sarkar and Atul Anand.
पानी की व्यवस्था नहीं थी, शिक्षा की व्यवस्था नहीं थी। ये बच्चे जब देखेंगे, हमें इनके IITian बनने से, मेडिकल डॉक्टर बनने से एतराज नहीं है, हम इसी में तो काम कर रहे हैं। ये उस सेंसिटिविटी को समझते हैं।
उनके मदर का फोन आया, उन्होंने फोन करके थोड़ा बात करा दी। उस लड़के ने हाथ झटक के कहा कि अभी छोड़ दो मम्मी, हम बाद में बात करेंगे।
Leaving parents assured of the program's enriching impact.
सीखेगा तो उसका अलग ही है। तो बात है हम लोग सारे बच्चे करते हैं सलाह, तो उसका अलग ही है।
Two impactful workshops held on December 10th and 19th prepared students for the journey ahead. Guided by mentor Rajeshwar Mishra, students explored skills such as empathy, leadership, and communication. They learned about the cultural and ecological treasures they would encounter, fostering excitement and readiness for the hand-on community engagement.
Manav Bharati International School has a tradition of organizing CEP, Community Engagement Program. This is a part of our pedagogy where students involved with the community. They visited different areas. Our first CEP was organized in Dehradun in 2019.
Community engagement program is a part of our pedagogy. So in Manav Bharati, this is the 4th edition of the community engagement program, and before that we have organized this community engagement program in Dehradun and nearby villages of Patna, and this time we are organizing this community engagement program at Buxa, which is very near to New Jalpaiguri.
We at Manav Bharati have always believed in collaborative way of learning and imparting our knowledge through learning by doing approach.
Felicitator Dipti Sharma and Divya Sharma highlighted the goals of the program.
So last year we got an opportunity to go and interact with the villagers of nearby school, and the interaction was so useful that somehow we came to know about sugarcane, that why the production of sugarcane is declining.
I am fortunate enough to have 2 years of experience engaging with community through CEP program. We at MBIS have always emphasized on collaborative learning and child-centric approach, keeping our children at center.
The major elements which you all are going to cover and gain ideas and beliefs about them. So the points which we are going to cover is history.
It's a lot of sense to me. Interaction, connection, collaboration, involvement, सारा कुछ ही काफी important है.
The program officially kicked off on December 21st as students boarded the iconic Vande Bharat Express, embarking on a journey filled with anticipation and camaraderie.
Shivam, spotlight, light.
Day 1. As the first rays of sunlight kissed the horizon, our team gathered at the Center for the Development of Human Initiatives, CDHI, to embark on a meaningful journey to Buxa. Founded by Dr. Rajeshwar Mishra, CDHI played a pivotal role in planning and facilitating the program. Before setting off, students shared a hearty breakfast at CDHI, fueling up the day's adventure, from breakfast to exploration. This moment of togetherness marked the start of an exciting chapter. Mentor Rajeshwar Mishra planted seeds of wisdom through a heartfelt address, inspiring students to embrace the program's mission with purpose and enthusiasm. With CDHI's vision of empowering communities at the heart of the journey, students embarked on this transformative adventure, energized by the serene morning and ready to make a meaningful impact in the communities they were about to engage with. Guided by conservation expert Ronak Ghosh, they discovered the critical role of vultures in our ecosystem and the ongoing efforts to protect these vital species.
नमस्कार, मेरो नाम विकास थापा, म बक्सा विकास अभियान समितिको सचिव र म यहाँ हाम्रो गाउँको केही टपिकहरुमा
As the flames flickered, students reflected on the day's lessons, building a deeper connection with the nature and each other. Day 2 was heartwarming experience of culture exchange at the Lepchaka village. Through traditional dances, storytelling sessions, and shared laughter, bonds were formed that transcended culture boundaries. A friendly football match between Manav Bharti International School and Buxa Board Free School showcased the unifying power of sports, cheered on by dignitaries and local leaders. This event embodied the spirit of unity and mutual respect. Day 3 brought students to the serene landscapes of Bhutan, exploring monasteries and engaging with the local communities. They gained insight into Bhutanese culture, spirituality, and values. This cross-border experience left an indelible expression, teaching the students the importance of global perspectives. On the final day, the program culminated in a festive Christmas celebration. Santa Claus shared stories, and delicious cake brought warmth and joy, marking the end of the transformative journey. Students carried back cherished memories and valuable lessons as they returned home. Students immersed themselves in the traditions and daily lives of the local communities.
बताना चाहें दीदी आप लोग क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पर, कोई दिक्कत है?
हॉस्पिटल का जरूरत है, हम लोग को यहाँ पे हाई स्कूल का जरूरत है और हम लोग का यहाँ पे बहुत
Manav Bharti International School remains dedicated to the shaping future leaders through holistic education. The CEP 2024 is the testament to the school's vision of empowering young minds to build a better tomorrow. Manav Bharti International School, where education meets empathy, and every student is prepared to leave a positive mark on the world. On 18 January, the grand finale of CEP 2024 celebrated an inspiring journey of learning and growth. Students presented their transformative experiences to an esteemed panel, including Vikas Thapa, Secretary, Buxar Vikas Abhiyan Samiti, Subrato Majumdar from CDHI, and Professor Amitabh Pandey from Anant National University, alongside proud parents. Their heartfelt narratives and visuals highlighted their personal growth and deepened environmental awareness. Mentor Rajeshwar Mishra shared this journey was about building compassionate leaders of tomorrow, while Director Pradeep Kumar Mishra emphasized the program's transformative impact. Parents and students reflected on the visible changes.
इसको कुछ होगा नहीं और आई तो बहुत अच्छी बधाई की वहाँ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था बुका वहाँ का जीवन यापन वगैरह देख करके हम लोग बहुत हुए उत्साहित हुए कि वहाँ कम सारा चीज रिक्वायरमेंट के बाद भी लोग वहाँ जी रहे हैं.
The program underscoring its value. The event featured a vibrant photo exhibition showcasing key moments of the journey. A book authored by the students about perspective, process and impacts was proudly launched by the dignitaries and parents, symbolizing the depth of their engagement. Stating, Vikas Thapa admired the students, stating, it felt as if they had lived here for years. Such was their connection with the community and environment. The day concluded with pride and fulfillment, capturing the essence of CEP 2024 and its impact on students and communities alike.
So how would you like to define CEP in one word?
Great experience for me.
बहुत अच्छा था. फारूक एक्सपीरियंस
झक्कास. Enthusiastic.
Creative. New learning.
Good.
Engaging with communities.
Learning.
Interesting. Adventurous.
Teamwork. मजेदार. Interesting.
Learning.
Adventurous.
Learning.
Productive.
Learning.
Engagement program. Memorable.
Progress. Out of the boundary. New experience. For me, adventurous.
Correct.